We're Team 3, and we are from Zagreb, Croatia.
We are currently on our way to a park. It's the nearest park to our school.
It's a calm place where we can relax in the middle of the busy city.
The park is called the Park of King Petar Krešimir.
Houses are still beautiful even in the middle of winter.
This is the ginkgo tree. It has very positive energy and it's very, very old.
This park is so important that some people even decorated the trees.
Günaydınlar. Kucağına aç çocuklar oynasın.
Doğada renk renk çiçekler.
Neşeli böcekler olsun.
Günaydın da sevgi dolu günlere.
Umutlu gelecekler, güzel bir dünyamız olsun.
Down in the forest, near the village, lived the man called it Nick the Chopper.
Chopping wood his game and making money. Caring not for trees. He blindly chops on.
Married, he never washes, he never went to school. Nick the Chopper.
Beautiful by default.
Born of the earth, we abuse and destroy, despite it all it gives. But nature is powerful, it surrounds us, it lives. Time is not.
I was watching a perfect sunset with a sweet cat. I think he was sleeping too. I smiled at the peace brought by the scenery and the environment. As the books in the sea went back and forth, texting small waves, all I had to do was watch this unique view.
I opened the window and inhaled cool air. It looked like a painting with snow on the roof.
The smell of winter reminded me of old times.
The leaves on the trees were turning yellow. The sun was shining, but it was cold. Birds were singing while people were walking. This is the perfect place to relax. Look deep into nature. Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. Nature gives you peace, give peace to nature. If I protect nature, I know love. If I look at nature, I fall in love.
Nature gives you peace, don't approach to the city environment. In the middle of the trees, what a wonderful joy it is.